The Spanish Speaking Masterclass, from beginner to intermediate Spanish. The Spanish language is one of the most commonly spoken languages in the world, with over 400 million speakers and 22 countries recognizing it as an official language. It is also one of the most popular languages for people to try and learn. Learning Spanish can open up a world of opportunities, from the Americas to Europe and Asia. The language is fairly easy to learn when compared to many other languages. With our Spanish Speaking Masterclass Bundle, you will learn the A to Z of the Spanish language, improve your communication skills by learning new vocabulary, and how to properly use tenses to form complete sentences. There is also a bonus business Spanish course that is handy for professionals looking to enhance their career prospects. Target audience. This online Spanish course bundle is designed for beginner to intermediate Spanish language learners who would like to become proficient in the language. Requirements. No previous Spanish language knowledge is required. Course specifications. The courses consist of text, interactive cards, and quizzes. It is a self-paced program available 24/7. Participants can learn at their own pace, anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Certificate. A personalized certificate will be issued on completion of each course. Click the link in the description for full access. Also find courses in 160+ world languages. We offer free-for-life access to non-profits, charities, and public libraries. What will you learn today?